Greeting guys, this is Walid, an Arabic tutor for non-native speakers. If it's the first time you just watch me, subscribe my channel to YouTube and follow me via this page. So let's get started. Today we have a new class, a new episode. We are still in the Arabic course with the alphabets in Arabic, with harakat and movements. I think also I give you a food for thought for the next class, this class. Could you please tell me the name of this letter with the first movement or the first haraka, fatha? Tell me. Yes, this is called ja, ja. If you want to pronounce this letter correctly, you have then to close your teeth between each other like this, like G sound in English language, ja, ja, ja. Okay? So with kasra, G, G, G. The same sound of G letters in English language, but with kasra. Make your tongue or make your mouth below it to the best. G, G, G. And with the last movement, dhamma, Ju, Ju. Make your mouth like a circle. Ju, Ju, Ju. So let us to know the brother. This one. Ha, ha, ha. Okay. If you just eat something spicy, you have to say like, or you have to make a sound like ha, right? So the same sound here, but with fatha, you have to open your mouth when you pronounce it. Ha, ha, ha. And then with kasra, he. Close your throat here when you pronounce this letter. He. And then with dhamma, hu, the same shape, look. Hu. And then hit the brother, the last one, fatha, kha. If you want to pronounce this letter correctly, you have to close the beginning of your throat here, kha. And I give you examples before in our last videos. You can return our last videos if you want to pronounce this perfectly. You just imagine you have some of water and you want to play with this water in your throat, like, okay? This is the same sound, kha. And then with kasra, khi. And with dhamma, this last one, hu. And let us then to move to the next letter with fatha. This one, we know his name, dal, right? Dal. And if you want to pronounce this letter correctly, you have to make your tongue, or you have to make your tongue to touch or to attach the beginning of your teeth here. This teeth. Da. And if you have a kids or you have your nephews, if they are so small, this is da, right? So the same thing here, you can remember this from your kids or from your sisters or from your brothers. The small kids. They are say also whole time da, right? To play with this word or this letter. The same thing here with fatha, da. Yeah, okay? Da. And with kasra, di. With dhamma, do. This letter, he has a brother. You may know this before, okay? If you want to pronounce this letter correctly, you have then to make your tongue between your teeth here. Okay? So, with fatha, the. And with kasra, the. and with dhamma, dhu, dhu. Can you see my tongue? Dhu, dhu. And this is the end of our class today. I'm gonna give you a food for thought for the next class. Tell me then the name of this letter with the 3 sounds or the 3 movements or 3 harkat as you like. Tell me then and let me know in the comment below. And then see you inshallah.